Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial. In this Proton Mail guide for 2026, I'll show you how to fix Proton Mail session expired issues. If Proton Mail keeps logging you out or showing a session expired message, here are some quick solutions you can try. First, sign back into your Proton Mail account using your email address, password, and two-factor authentication code if it's enabled. In many cases, this immediately fixes the issue. Next, check your internet connection. An unstable connection can interrupt communication with Proton Mail servers and cause your session to expire unexpectedly. If you're using a web browser, clear your browser cache and cookies. Corrupted browser data can sometimes create authentication and session problems. You should also make sure your browser is updated to the latest version. Older browsers may have compatibility issues that affect login sessions. Another possibility is a temporary Proton Mail service issue. If that's the case, you'll need to wait until the service is fully restored. If the problem continues, contact Proton Mail support and provide details about your device, browser, and any error messages you're seeing. And that's how to fix Proton Mail session expired issues. By checking your connection, refreshing your login session, and reviewing your account settings, you can resolve most session-related problems quickly. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.